It seems, to be honest, it was one of the most sacred experience of my life. Like going back. I had never been to Kaikoai in the first place, so I'm from Kaikoai. Um, yeah, it was cool. It was a spiritual experience, and just reconnecting, reclaiming my what I already had inside. Just being able to know that. Going back to my marae, going to my marae for the first time, kohe fata marae, going to Kaikoe, meeting all my cousins and stuff, and it was such a beautiful experience. Like walking into my marae, and my cousin who teaches in Kaikoe, he's like, shout out Bowman. Everyone knows Bowman Wihongi. Shout out Bowman, who he turned around and he looked at me and he was like, "Can you feel that, cuz?" And I was just like, all these goosebumps were just going through my whole being, just because um, it was almost just like that connection had been made again. And I kind of used to be ashamed of saying I was Māori, because when someone was like, "Where are you from?" I'll be like, "Oh, Kaikoai." Then they'll be like, "What's this? What's that? What's your pepeha?" And I wouldn't know. So I would be too ashamed to even like be like tell someone. So I just used to say, "Oh, I'm Samoan European," and then. But now I'm proud. I'm a proud Māori. Like doesn't matter how much Māori I have, I'm still Māori, and that's what I've learned going back up north, Kaikoai, reconnecting with my tupuna, reconnecting with my family, and yeah, I can't wait for the journey to begin. This is just the start. So yeah.